Let's start by diving into the future of mobility with the Dnsys X1 Exoskeleton. Forget what you thought you knew about exoskeletons because this gadget is about to blow your mind. With a whopping distance coverage of over 25 kilometers, you'll be saving up to 50% of your energy thanks to its patented high-density motor. That's like shedding a 38-kilogram weight off your shoulders. Need an extra kick to conquer rough terrain? With just one click, you can activate boost mode for that extra oomph when you need it most. And don't worry about comfort. Its AI system, composed of thousands of artificial neurons, provides precise and comfortable assistance, ensuring you tackle any terrain with confidence. Also, it features a unique chain construction that adapts to any body type, ensuring a snug fit for everyone. So, whether you're tackling your daily commute, chasing sunsets, or exploring off-road adventures, the Dnsys X1 Exoskeleton has got your back literally. Next, let's get into the fiery world of innovation with the Biolite Firepit. This isn't just any old fire pit, but a must-have for your outdoor gatherings. Thanks to its advanced airflow system, this bad boy burns smoke, causing matter before it even thinks about escaping, giving you a smokeless experience in under 30 seconds. Say hello to cozy nights around the fire without the constant shuffle dance. Unlike your typical fire pit, the Biolite Firepit boasts an X-ray mesh design, offering a mesmerizing 360-degree view of your flames. It's like having a floating fire art installation right in your backyard. Plus, the enlarged mesh ensures maximum heat radiance, keeping you warm all night long. The Biolite Firepit can hold up to 4 pieces of cord wood, yet burns with hyper-efficiency using half the fuel of a traditional fire pit. And you can control the intensity of your flames with the touch of a button thanks to the free Biolite app. It's like having a personal fire maestro in your pocket. Whether you're in the mood for charcoal grilling or hibachi-style cooking, the Biolite Firepit has got you covered. Just swap out the fuel and add the grate top for instant culinary magic. So, whether you're chilling at the beach or hosting a backyard BBQ, the Biolite Firepit is your go-to for ambience, warmth, and epic outdoor meals. Next up, let's look into the incredible QuietEye 1132p. Precision optics and stabilization unleashed. Say goodbye to shaky images and hello to crystal clear views, even on the move. With a 32 mm objective diameter and 11x enhanced magnification, every detail comes to life, bringing your viewing experience to a whole new level. QuietEye boasts an expansive 64-degree view, so you won't miss a thing. Plus, with a generously sized 24mm eyepiece guard, comfort is key, even during long observation sessions. Plus, it's handheld, so you can take it with you wherever your adventures lead, capturing breathtaking moments with ease. This powerhouse gadget features a 13-layer balanced coating with transmittance over 99.6%, ensuring crisp, vibrant images every time. And with smartphone connectivity, sharing your discoveries is a breeze. So, whether you're a nature lover, sports fanatic, or simply enjoy exploring the world around you, the QuietEye 1132p is your ultimate companion for unleashing precision optics and stabilization. Check out the Anker Everfrost Powered Cooler 50, the coolest addition to your outdoor adventures. Picture this. You're out on a weekend getaway, soaking up the sun with friends, when suddenly the dreaded realization hits soggy sandwiches and warm drinks. Not cool, right? But fear not, because the Everfrost has got your back. Unlike other powered coolers that stop working after a few hours, the Everfrost keeps things chilled for up to a whopping 42 hours at a crisp 39 degrees Fahrenheit. With its mammoth 299 watt-hour battery, it's a powerhouse in portable cooling. Plus, just one solar panel keeps it charged round the clock, perfect for off-grid escapades. With its efficient cooling system, the Everfrost maximizes storage space, giving you twice the room for your snacks and drinks. It takes just 30 minutes to drop from a balmy 77 degrees Fahrenheit to a refreshing 32. Now that's fast. Need to juice up your gadgets on the go? Simply detach the battery and voila, a portable power bank ready to keep your devices charged. And with the nifty Anker app, you can monitor and control your cooler from anywhere. So, whether you're hitting the road or blazing new trails, the Everfrost is your go-to companion for everlasting coolness. Say goodbye to warm brews and hello to ice-cold refreshment anytime, anywhere. Next up, the TitanSpin, multi-tool fidget spinner, where versatility meets playfulness. This sleek titanium wonder isn't just your average spinner. With interchangeable tool cards boasting over 80 functions, it's the ultimate EDC for quick fixes and endless entertainment. Thanks to its handy magnets, TitanSpin transforms into the tool you need precisely when you need it. Need tools for everyday fixes? Check out the Daily Dynamo card, featuring wrenches, a bottle opener, and even a spinner at the center for those fidgety moments. For outdoor enthusiasts, there's the Outdoor Odyssey card with spoke wrenches and camping essentials like a knife and saw. Tech-savvy folks will love the Tech Titan card, loaded with SIM card slots and screwdrivers. And let's not forget the Survival Specialist card for adventurers, equipped with a signal mirror and compass. What's truly innovative is the customization TitanSpin offers. You can mix and match cards based on your needs, ensuring you only carry what you need. It's compact, it's fun, and it's incredibly handy. Let's explore the Biolite BaseCharge 600, your ultimate off-grid power companion. Imagine having a 622 watt-per-hour rechargeable source of power that brings the reliability and safety of home-grade energy wherever you roam. That's the BaseCharge 600 for you. At its core lies a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, certified for safety and monitored by a 12 checkpoint system. With plug-and-play ports ready to handle AC, DC, USB-A, USB-C, and high-speed USB CPD, you're sorted for any device. Say goodbye to tangled cords with wireless charging included. Plus, the smart display gives you real-time updates on your power usage, so you're always in the know. For a fully self-reliant energy system, pair it with the Biolite solar panel. Thanks to maximum power point tracking, MPPT, you'll be capturing up to 30% more power even in variable conditions. Backed by over a decade of off-grid expertise, the BaseCharge 600 ensures you're always in control of your power, wherever your adventures take you. Stay connected, stay powered with the Biolite BaseCharge 600. Next on the list is the LifeStraw Mission High Volume Gravity-Fed Water Purifier in the hefty 12-litre size. First up, its gravity-fed design means no pumping, no batteries, and no chemicals, just pure, clean water. Fill up the reservoir, hang it up, and let gravity do its thing. It's like having your own personal water filtration system on standby. This purifier removes a whopping 99.9999% of bacteria, 99.99% of protozoa, and even turbidity. Plus, it meets the EPA drinking water standards, so you know it's legit. It's built tough for the great outdoors with durable materials. And the 12-litre capacity means you can hydrate the whole crew without breaking a sweat. And with a lifetime filtration capacity of 18,000 litres, this thing will keep you hydrated for years to come. So, whether you're conquering the backcountry or preparing for the unexpected, the LifeStraw mission has your back. Lastly, let's look at the jetboil Dnsys basecamp system, the ultimate solution for all your outdoor cooking needs. Crafted with a 5-litre flux pot and a 10-inch non-stick fry pan, with 2 burners boasting 10,000 BTUs each, you'll have water boiling in a mere 3 minutes. It's incredibly efficient, letting you boil more than 48 litres of water with just one 1-pound propane bottle. Thanks to the handy regulator, you can adjust the heat to your liking, whether you're simmering a stew or searing a steak. Gourmet outdoor dining. It also comes with an attachable windscreen, which is built to perform in any weather, regulated for consistency even in chilly conditions down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 6 degrees Celsius. The jetboil Dnsys basecamp system isn't just a cooking tool. From backpacking to basecamp cooking, van life to survival situations, the Dnsys basecamp is your trusty sidekick. Don't forget to browse our channel, like and subscribe for more cool tech. Thank you for watching.